Imagine cruising down the highway in a car that feels like a five-star suite on wheels, wrapped in luxury, packed with cutting-edge tech, and powered by an engine that roars like a symphony of elegance. That's the 2026 Bentley Continental GT for you. But what makes this grand tourer an absolute dream? Stick around as we reveal 7 jaw-dropping features that set this beauty apart, and trust me, you don't want to miss number 1. 7. The all-new hybrid powertrain ***. Bentley is stepping into the future with an ultra-powerful plug-in hybrid V8, offering nearly 800 horsepower while being eco-friendly. Imagine pulling up to a high-end gala in full electric mode, silent, smooth, and classy, only to unleash the beast on the open road with a push of a button. 6. AI-powered interior ***. The 2026 Continental GT takes luxury to the next level with an AI assistant that adapts to your driving habits. Picture this. You get into the car on a chilly morning, and before you even reach for the controls, the heated seats, steering wheel, and ambient lighting adjust to your perfect setting. It's like having a personal butler, but in car form. 5. A rotating display that never gets old ***. Bentley's signature rotating dashboard screen is back, but now it's even smarter. You're on a long road trip, and you switch from an analog clock to the massive 12.3-inch touchscreen to queue up your favorite playlist. Then, for a touch of class, you rotate it to reveal a handcrafted wooden panel, because sometimes less tech is more for. Next-gen air suspension for a cloud-like ride ***. Bentley has re-engineered its adaptive suspension to make every drive feel like floating on air. Imagine hitting a rough road, but instead of bouncing around, your car glides over bumps as if they don't exist. It's like swapping out a hard wooden chair for the most comfortable recliner you've ever sat in. 3. A cabin wrapped in 3D printed luxury ***. Bentley has introduced sustainable 3D printed materials, making every inch of the interior both eco-friendly and ridiculously premium. Picture yourself resting your arm on a custom leather console crafted with materials that didn't harm the planet. It's like sipping on the finest wine, but knowing it's also organic. 2. The fastest Continental GT ever ***. With a top speed nearing 210 miles per hour, this is the speed demon of Bentleys. Let's say you're on a private track because we obey speed limits, right? And you hit the gas, the world blurs, and in seconds, you're at supercar speeds while sitting in a lap of luxury. It's the best of both worlds, power and prestige. 1. The ultimate bespoke experience ***. No two 2026 Continental GTs have to look the same, thanks to Bentley's expanded customization options. Imagine walking into the showroom, picking a one-of-a-kind exterior color, selecting handcrafted embroidery for the seats, and even adding a personalized starlight roof. It's like designing your own luxury apartment, but this one moves at 200 mph. So, which of these features blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button if you're dreaming of one day owning this masterpiece. See you in the next video. Stay classy.